So magandang hapon po mga ka-excellence and kasalto. We are back with one of our episode para po sa ating selective instinct. Medyo natagalan po tayo bago po maka-upload. Medyo busy po tayo mga nakaraang araw. So ito po ay isa naming brood pen for this season. This is a 226 sweater brood pen. So the pullets are marked left nose, left in, right outs. At ito po ay full sister. Anak po ito ng left nose broodcock from Sir Nene Abelio. So, yung broodcock po is another pure sweater. Two to six sweater din po yung broodcock. So, the broodcock po is also a 226 sweater in hope to produce sweater materials po for next season. So ito po mga 2 to 6 sweater na ganito, medyo mabalahibo po sila. Not really tall, not really malalaking manok, but sakto lang po. 2 years old na po itong broodcock at nakapag-produce na po ito ng mga materials din para po sa atin. So happy po tayo na nagkaroon po tayo ng ganitong linyada at as to where we cross them, kadalasan po ay sa mga Gilliam roundheads to produce sweater roundheads, tags, and pullets. Yung mga babae po ng ganitong setting, usually binabalik lang po namin sa mga sweaters to create 3/4 sweaters and 1/4 roundheads. Yung mga babae po is 100% yellow leg, P-combed, just regular station lang po, hindi po matatangkad. So muli po, maraming pong salamat at in the next few days we'll try to upload more videos of our brood pens. Muli po, ito po ang mga 2 to 6 sweaters at salamat po.